Bist du bereit?
Ja, ja.
Ja, dann machen wir mal den Song The Town I Loved So Well. Okay. In my memory I will always see the town that I have loved so well, where our school played ball by the gas-yard wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, to the chain and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways. The town I love so well. In the early morning, the shirt factory horn called women from Kraken, the moor and the ball, while the men on the dole played a mother's role with the children and then trained the dogs. But when times were tough, there was just about enough, but they saw it through without complaining. From deep inside was a burning pride, the town I love so well. But when I returned, all my eyes were burned to see how the town would be brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs on to every breeze. Now the army's instead by the down gas-lit wall, and the dim barbed wire gets higher and higher. With their tanks and guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town I love so well?